Okay, guys. Sorry. Hello everyone. Good night. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, my name is Abdul Fattah, but most people usually call me Abdul, and some of my close friends also call me Dudung. For this video, I want to introduce myself more completely, not just my name or where I come from, but also my personality, hobbies, educational background, and the goals I am working toward. I hope that after watching this video, you will now know me better. And who knows, maybe someday we can collaborate or have meaningful discussion together. I come from the bus, a region that many people know for its salted eggs, red onions, and warm, friendly community. For me, the bus is more than a birthplace. It is where my character and values were shaped growing up. That taught me about simplicity, appreciating time, building good relationships with people, and understanding the importance of staying grounded. Even though I now live somewhere else for my studies, the values I learned in the bus remain a big part of who I am. Currently, I am studying communication science at Pamulang University's or Unpam. I choose this major because I have been interested in communication for a long time. How messages are constructed, how people understand each other, how media influence society, and how technology keeps changing the way interact. To me, communication is not just about speaking and listening. It is about the process of understanding and being understood. Communication plays a role in every part of life, live, work, friendship, family, and even in how we view ourselves. Now, if I talk about my personality, I would describe myself as an extrovert. I enjoy socializing, meeting new people, and interacting in different situations. Being around people give me energy, whether whether it's discussing ideas, working in groups, or simply chatting casually. I don't find it difficult to enter new environments or make new friends. In fact, I enjoy the process of getting to know different personality and backgrounds. I believe that every person carries a unique story and perspective that we can learn from. As an extrovert, I often take an active role in group settings. Sometimes I help start conversation. Sometimes I try to lighten the mood. And other time I volunteer to organize things when needed. I believe that a positive atmosphere in a group has a strong influence on the final result of any activity. Positive energy spreads easily, and I like being part of that energy. Besides campus activities and social interaction, I have a hobby that I really enjoy, which is touring. I love going on long rides, traveling for different routes, seeing new places, and feeling the fresh air along the journey. Touring for me is more than just traveling, it's a form of mental refreshment. During long rides, I often find clarity, new ideas, or simply moments of peace that I don't always get during busy routines. Touring also becomes a special moment for me and my friends. We usually plan the route together, prepare, prepare everything we need, decide meeting points, and start the ride with excitement. On the road, there's always something memorable. Beautiful scenery, resting at a small roadside stall, or facing unexpected situations like sudden rain. All those moments create unforgettable experience that I always look back on with a smile. In terms of personal goals, I always try to become a better version of myself. In the short term, I want to improve my communication skills, verbal, nonverbal, and digital communication. I want to understand the media world more deeply, including broadcasting, journalism, public relations, and digital platform. I am also working on becoming more disciplined, improving my time management, and being responsible for every task entrusted to me. For the long term, I hope to build a career in a field that aligns with my passion, maybe in media, public relations, creative work, or strategic communication. Any field where communication plays an important role, I want to create something meaningful, something that not only benefits me but also give a positive impact on others. At the same time, I'm learning to understand myself better. Being an extrovert doesn't mean I always want to be in crowded space. Sometimes I also need quiet moments to reflect, evaluate, and plan my next steps. I believe balance is important. Life is not just about working hard, but also about taking care of yourself and enjoying the journey. One of the core values I hold in life is respect. I believe everyone has their own path, their own struggles, and their own story. Because of that, I always try to see people from different angles, not just from what's visible on the surface. I also value honesty and responsibility. When I am trusted with something, I try my best to do it well because trust is something precious. Finally, I want to say thank you to everyone who has taken the time to watch this long introduction. I hope after this video you feel like you know me a little better. If you would like to connect, discuss, or collaborate in any way, I am very open to that. Every meeting has meaning, and maybe this introduction can be the beginning of something positive in the future. That's all from me, Abdul Fatah, or you can call me Abdul or Dudung or Bedul or Fatah. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Okay. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.